play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒶𝒾𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisper. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So I had to go to my handy dandy Temu app so I can find me a wig because Valentine is coming up and your girl needs something done to her head. So let's get into what I got today. And before you say anything about my Halloween shirt, I know, okay? So anywho, let's get into this. So I know a lot of y'all gonna be mad at me, but I ordered this back in December on the 20th at 11:30 in the morning. And I am just now getting to this wig. So with that being said, this unit is sold out, but you can click the link and you can also press the notify me button on Temu's app. That way, whenever they restock this unit, baby, you will have it. So back in December, I spent $9.48 for this unit. Y'all, I am so happy. Girl, it took me a minute to figure out what this was, but then it dawned on me, baby, there's some bobby pins. I was so happy that they gave me bobby pins with this first time, and I was like, okay, yeah, this is not bad, okay? So this is a beginner-friendly wig. She is 26 inches ombre body wave synthetic wig, and she has a side part. And it's a HD lace. It's like the realistic hair parting, all that good stuff. And also, whenever this does come available, they have 4 other colors. Okay. Next time I get a wig and it got bobby pins in it, I am going to freak out because pins are everywhere in this wig. I'm finding them everywhere and I'm like, they got to find a better way to do this packaging so I won't get this in my wig next time because I don't like it. All right, so let's get into the details. So I already told you it's an HD and it's a side part. So let's see the inside of this unit. She has 2 combs on the side and she also has 1 in the back. I only get this special treatment whenever I'm rolling the camera, so I should start taking camera everywhere with me so I can get the special treatment all the time. No, I'm just playing, but he is really sweet, so thank you, baby. Along with the adjustable straps. So on Temu's app, it did say it was an HD lace and it's pretty decent. It's a little stiff and I don't have that much plucking space. And I'm really showing you guys that. And I hate units like that. But baby, just bear with me and watch how I'm going to work this unit. So let's get started.
reality. We could take that step to see how this is really gonna be. All you gotta do is say yes. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel. Let me undress you, baby. I'm about to let you know you made me so amazing, incredible.
And that is it, you guys. That is the final look. I absolutely love this unit. I think I would give this a 9 out of 10. Only reason why I'm giving it a 9 is literally the hairline. I wish there was more room to pluck, but overall it's nice. Like, I'm really feeling myself. So anywho, like I always say, if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
ISNT is gonna be made tonight. All you gotta do is say yes. Say yes. Don't deny what you feel. Let me undress you, babe. I'm about to let you know